You ever wonder what goes into editing YouTube videos before they go on? Some people use a lot of editing, very smooth and sophisticated stuff. All the bigger channels do that, and some of the new ones don't do any editing at all. I'm a beginner, so I do some editing as I'm learning as I go. And this video will show some of the things that I've learned about editing in my 10 months of doing this. So let's have a look at that right now. Greetings, this is Rick Ward, a retirement coach and a transitional guide with Your Journey Transitions. This is part 2 of Jazz and Papa Make a YouTube video. We're going to cover editing in this film. Okay, again, it may be a bit noisy in the background as we go through. This is one of our family nights. We steal away a few minutes for just Jasmine doing a bit of one-on-one, working on this little project together. These little one-on-one times can be very meaningful and help them build a relationship with you and your grandchild, whatever that little project may be.
Papa,
Yes?
how do you make a YouTube video?
Come on, let's go upstairs and have a look. Walk up to the loft. It's good we're early for family night, so it might be a bit quieter for us.
Which is good.
Get up. We filmed a little bit last time. So this time I'm going to have an extra GoPro there from a different angle. We got our lights. We got a scripted computer. And Customer steps. We make a lot of little movie things and then we put them all together. But every time we do a little bit, then we need to edit that to make it a bit smooth. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is, I'll show you the editing stuff. We need to record the screen. So when I make the video, we'll be talking over the top, and then so we need QuickTime. What's QuickTime? Yeah. All right, so we're going to do a new screen recording.
Is that GoPro? Video.
Yeah, the GoPro's playing. We're doing it on family night anyway. It all fits into the theme, so it's okay, but it's a bit quieter with him. So we just click on that. Now it's recorded screen, so you'll see all of this as we go along. First thing we need to do is opening up the editing software, which is that one. And that should come up on the screen to show that. So this is the program that we do it. You've got your audio file, so we got to add a piece of media that we're going to edit, which will be the piece we filmed last time. So I go into desktop there, desktop, fine, right there. Okay, and so it's 2 minutes 59, and I'll put that down on our play down there. Okay, now here's your sound. Now since we're not using an external microphone, I always crank the sound up a little bit from my computer. So you go up to clip, audio gain, and I add about 12 points to it. I can change that later. See, then all of a sudden you see that? The audio's gone up. So we'll start playing. Now here's our voices. This is where we're talking, or make noise. And so this is where we're going to clip and cut things out. So we're just getting ready there. There we go. This is my grand. See, I start talking right there.
Yeah.
We'll go back to just before that. And then this is a little scissors. Cut that bit. And then I got to highlight the bit I'm going to get rid of and just hit delete until it's it. Now it starts back at the beginning. This is my granddaughter, Jasmine. How old are you, Jasmine? 10. I knew that. See, that's got a lot of talking and not much of you talking, so.
I'm sorry for me.
Well, it's good. It's really hard to get used to talking about it.
I like to watch.
So we're just, that's how the thing is, we can just talk and edit. Just like this we're recording now. I'll cut different pieces out, but I just wanted to see how it roughly works.
So when are we actually going to do this one?
We are doing it. What's this? Okay, now let's meet Jasmine. Now this is this video here that we're editing. We've already filmed this one. I've already filmed this one and edited it. And now we're doing editing of raw footage. So unless you're doing live streaming where you just talk randomly, you hear all the people talking, they don't do much editing. But for us, and we're trying to teach something, then we're going to use a lot of editing. And so we make a lot of small videos, and then we're going to link them in. We're going to put some transitions, and we'll put different cool ad stuff in to make a proper little movie later.
Yeah,
But yep. So
sorry. Since we've done that part,
yeah.
and then now we're doing that. The clothes are different though.
That's all right, because we're doing it over sections, and that we're talking every time you come for family night, we do a little bit. After we go through this whole thing of how you actually do it, then you're going to come up with a next project, a video idea, and for that, then you can have it any way you want. We'll all have the same clothes. We'll all shoot it. I'll have you over have like during our day, so we take the whole time to do it all in one day. But this is just showing you how it all starts. So at first, I take footage on the iPhone, and then I convert
To the computer?
to the party, because on that's an MOV file, and I need an MP3. So I got a program here called Handbrake, and with the Handbrake, I just pick the movie that I'm gonna find that needs to be done out of there, and then it converts it over to MP3. And when how do I get my phone to my computer? AirDrop. I never knew that before, but you got on your phones, you can just do it to the air, all your Mac stuff. So I AirDrop to the computer, put it through the Handbrake, turns into the right file, and then I can start using it for editing. So going back to what we're doing, and not move your head too much, because like when we edit it, if you move your head around a lot, then it jumps.
My mom stole my.
See, this is nice and smooth. You're chatting all the way through. It's nice and even. See that?
What did I just say?
This is probably the very first scenes.
Oh, yeah.
And I watched
See that? Usually when I do this, I'm reading a bit, and so there's lots of bits I got to cut out. But that's nice and smooth. We're just talking. It's coming out really good.
Now, the live chance you can see in the camera. See your face has been red?
I can't say it.
Yeah, it's wine and stuff like that. I don't normally. I just wanted to show you where I film it at, how I film it, and then we'll do editing next. Okay? There you go. Jasmine.
Now that we've got those, we only had like a couple rough cuts there, so it was really easy. So now I've got to turn that into a smooth bit. So I export and share, and then devices, and I can record it in 4K or high def. I do it in high def. It doesn't take as much space and it's still quite clear. And so we name this one, and so this one is going to be editing with Jazz. So, and that's where it's going to be saved on my computer. So I can put that. So we just put save, and then this does it's called rendering, and it just kind of makes it all smooth. And then I'll save that to the file that we're making, and so that's this one. So the next one, I'll edit this bit that we're doing now and put that in. And so next time we'll do all the bits plus my intros and our transitions, and put it all together as a
Yeah, then create a
proper feel. Yes, you know how to create thumbnails?
Think so.
You figure out what you want to wear for your thumbnail, because you know my thumbnails though. So we'll get pictures and we'll use the camera, and we'll just pose with the camera. You got to use expressions and leave enough room so you can put the banner things over top. You've seen my thumbnails, so we'll do that picture. So you figure out how you want your hair and what you want to do, and then we can do that anytime. We'll do about 10 different photos, and then you pick out which one you like the best, and then we'll make a thumbnail. And that's another program I use to put the text and all that on. I could show you, and that'll be another little video that we'll do then. So that'll run through, and it'll save that as a file that I save on the computer and put together. Okay? There you go. I hope you found that informative and enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments below on different activities that you like to do with your grandchild, things that build in your relationship. I'd love to hear from you. You can contact me on my email, yourjourneytransitions@gmail.com, through my social media, which is my Facebook account, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and of course my website, yourjourneytransitions.com. So until next time, which will be episode 3, which we will do creating a thumbnail. See you then. This is Rick Ward wishing you an extraordinary retirement.
This is like a cocoon.
What comes out of a cocoon?
Butterflies.
Are butterflies beautiful?
Yeah.